Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial on how to use Google Classroom. This is Omar Khalil with ATX Learning. Now that you've made a class and added students to it, you're ready to add an assignment. Within the class, head over to the Classwork tab. Here, click the Create button and you should be prompted with 6 options. Let's start with assignments. Firstly, you'll have to enter the title followed by any instructions for the students to follow. Underneath that, you have the option to attach files from various places that are related to the assignment, like a YouTube video link. Or you can create a new document, slide, or spreadsheet to be attached. Thereafter, you can choose its due date, sort it within a set of topics, or add a rubric. Next, you can decide the audience it needs to be sent to, either specific students or all students. Now you're ready to share. On the top right, there's an Assign button. You can click it for an instant upload, or you can schedule it for a specific time in the near future. We can also look at the other options under the Create sign. They will all have similar patterns as the one discussed above, so tailor it to your needs. Good job, first assignment uploaded. We can look at another feature in the next video. Hope to see you there.